All right, you guys, Chris Lambert back again with another unboxing video. Thanks for tuning in. I think this stuff is more camping or survival type of stuff. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I think I showed you once in another video, fire starter kit. We had the ferrocerium rod, had the little ropes, hemp ropes that you can start a fire with. That's one thing. And you should have flashlights, lanterns, you should have battery storage. So this is a combination battery storage like double or triple A, plus it's got a little SD card storage in there for your camera, GoPro, whatever you got, phone, if you have one that still uses it. And I think this came as a 3-pack. I've got a little crack in this one. So there we have that. Set that aside. Let's check out our next one. Our next one, I think I said I wanted to try a different type of a water bottle carrying system, and I also mentioned that you could use these to carry your mini tripods in, like I showed before. Oh, this thing does not want to open. Okay. There we go. Okay, I had to tear it. Not sure what brand this is. Just says a water bottle holder. D-ring hook, green, new. Here's your, I guess that's your D-ring hook. You can hook it on, to your belt loops, your big belt loop holder, wherever. And yeah, it's got a ventilated bottom. It's got you can tighten it. So let's see how this works. Got a Gatorade bottle. That works well. Got to stay hydrated. Got one of the big Sam's water bottles that fits in there. Better than the last one I had. I don't know why the last one was so thin. So yeah, that's nice. You could put other stuff in there too, I guess. Something in the bottom here. Oh, okay, maybe this is the D-ring. So yeah, that would hook onto here, I guess. There we go. You can hook it like that. Carry it on whatever you want to, your backpack, strap, belt loop. That way you could carry it. That's pretty nice. Okay. Next. Let's see what we got here. I didn't know if I wanted to buy one of these, but you know how I like very small, compact stuff. So this is actually supposed to be like a fishing rod, fishing kit. So it's got a bag. You can close it. And here's a holder. Let's put that in the bag so we don't lose it. Here's our fishing rod. There are a couple brands of these, so I picked this one, said it was bigger, had more room. I'm not exactly sure what purpose that is, but I think it unscrews. And does it have anything in it? No, it doesn't. I guess you'd put fishing line in here. Oh, I guess wrap it around. Yeah, I'm not really sure how this works, but it's got a hole down here, and you're supposed to be able to fish with it. Put some lures and whatever you need in there, and the handle. And pretty cool. I've also looked at the Pocket Fisherman and extendable ones, that telescoping ones. Yeah, I'm not sure about those. Oh, okay. Last item I bought that was on sale. This is a manual hand. I think I wrote that this was a generator. Something's loose in here. Let's find out what this is. It's a generator. You know, if you're out of electrical power and everything, you want to have some kind of way to get energy. Yeah, this is. Well, here we go, it passed. Here's your manual. So it's called a Yatek hand crank generator manual. There's the instructions. Probably can't read that, but let's see what it looks like. Oh, we got loose parts in here. Okay, here's our loose parts. Little screw and a nut. I don't know what that, maybe that attaches. I think that attaches like this. Okay. Get a hole. So here's your hand crank. And here's your generator. So what you would do is you would put this on like that. Put your screw through it. Yeah, it's kind of. I wish they had a better screw set up, maybe a wing nut or something. There's a screw in here. Tighten that on. And here you can plug in wires. Looks like you can plug in some cell phone cables and stuff. It's got different voltages. 3, 5, 6, 9, 12, and 15 volts. So, yeah. Guess you crank this. You get your, voltage. I'll have to read about it, but this was on sale for super cheap, so I never saw one like this before, so I thought I'd check it out. So, some camping survival stuff here. Bug out bag stuff that I've been, trying to check out. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, one more thing I missed. If the grid goes down, you have no electricity, no internet, no water and stuff, you want to know how to plan ahead so in a disaster. So, should have books, should study up, watch preppers on the internet, get books such as this one. It's a book I got called No Grid Survival Projects. So it tells you how to do everything you need. Grow, heat, cook, grow your own food, produce electricity, solar panel. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like yeah, I don't know what that is. It's either a camera or a birdhouse. I don't know what that is. Yeah, all different things here. They got a little portable sink. They got a water storage facility you can make, barrels. Probably teach you how to filter water, make greenhouse, all kinds of good stuff in it. It says 70 ingenious projects that you can build yourself and around your house. List of materials and tools needed for each project, step-by-step instructions with color pictures and videos, which I guess you go to the internet to look those up. Detailed information on where to source the needed materials from, material cost, difficulty level, and approximate time for each project. Content diversity. You will find projects on water, ammo, electricity, ways to keep intruders off your property. So I guess that was a camera. And food traps, natural remedies, and more. Good book. I forgot how much it costs. Is there a price on here? I don't see one. But looks like a good book. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.